Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope we are doing well. Well, it's another edition of voiceover. Hey, I never liked this voiceover thing, but it is what it is. Yeah. How are you all doing? I hope you are well. So today we are making coconut oil stew. Oh my god, this stew was delicious. I won't lie, it was delicious because I love the aroma of coconut oil because this coconut oil was the one my mom bought for me from Africa when she traveled. Oh my god. There's nothing like Africa, I swear to God. There's nothing like Africa. Well, you can give it a try. You can give it a try yourself with the coconut oil you have in the UK. It's still the same. So just my I use blended pepper. I use the bell pepper, the sweet pepper, and then I use the green one. I little of the green pepper as well. I didn't allow it to blend properly because I didn't want it to be too smooth. So just ground. I beg, I know English. No, English is not my language. So yes, just as you can see the process, I use all my spices. I have ginger powder, black pepper, Maggi, curry, bay leaf. Every spice that you have in your kitchen, you can use it. Anything that you want, you can use it. I use pepper as well. So yeah, it was really really tasty and I really love it. It was nice. So I use some chicken. I fry some chicken and then I put it in it. It was delicious. The way I say it was delicious over again, that it was delicious with white rice. It was nice. Well, try it and drop comments if you like it as well. Well, it is what it is. Yeah. I have a story, or I need somebody to tell me something. I was just thinking this morning when I was in bed trying to think about things. What am I going to cook today? How is my good day going to be? And then I just remember that when me and my husband we were dating. Men, when you are dating, you want to promise you the whole world. My husband always say, "Don't worry, I will cook for you one day. I will cook for you one day. I will cook for you one day." And I was thinking in my head, what if my husband just cook for me today? I will cook for you one day. What if today is that day? Because I've been asking since, when are you cooking for me? He say one day, one day. That one day never come. Oh. Please, you guys, come and ask my husband when that one day will be, because I need that one day. Let that one day be today. Whenever I ask, they say one day. Please, somebody should come and ask my husband that when that one day will be. How is your own experience? Does your husband promise you the whole way when you were dating? When you are married, now you be asking, when are you going to do that thing? And he will keep telling you one day, one day. Well, it is what it is. Well, have a good night, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao. Bye.